So going over the solutions to today's exit ticket questions, the first one you were asked was whether or not is it shorter to kayak from A to B to C or walking from A to X to C. So what you see here is the figure. It's telling you that X to Z is 6 miles, X to Y is 5 miles. And by the markings, you can see that A, B, and C are the midpoints of their respective sides of this triangle that's formed. That being the case, that I know that's I know like from XC and ZC they're each 3 miles, XA and YA are each 2.5 miles. So I also know that AB and BC are mid segments because they're segments that are a result of me connecting a segment between two midpoints of sides of the triangle. So with that being said, I know they're mid segments, so BC is 2.5 miles. I know that AB is 3 miles. So if I go from A to B to C, that's AB plus BC, which is 3 plus 2.5 miles, which is 5.5 miles. If I go from A to X to C, as I said, AX and XC are each going to be 2.5 and 3 miles respectively as well. So that total distance is 5.5 miles. So the answer to this question is that it doesn't matter which route you take, it's still the same distance. The only thing that's going to be a matter of your decision is whether you'd prefer the kayak or walk, and it also may be which one might be faster too. It might be faster to kayak than to walk, who knows. So this one here is kind of a trick question in that, as far as the shorter distance, neither one is shorter than the other. So the second question you were given is that that D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of CB. You're told that DE is 23 units. They wanted you to find AC. So, DE is a midsegment of triangle ABC by the definition of a midpoint. And if we know that we have a midsegment of a triangle, then there's certain characteristics about it. And that characteristic that we're going to focus our attention on is that DE should be half the length of AC. So if that's the case, if DE is 1/2 AC, then 1/2 AC being DE is the same thing as 1/2 AC being 23 units. And solving that equation means that AC has to be 46 units. So that's the end of this. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact me or your geometry teacher. Until next time, have a good day.